It's an electric atmosphere in the Champions Trophy final. Husbands are batting while the wives are taunting ferociously. Husbands need 12 runs with only 4 taunts remaining. It's turned out to be quite a cracker of a match. Let's rejoin the action in the living room where the wife is set to deliver taunt number 3. Here she comes and delivers a taunt by asking the husband if he has done the laundry, and husband replies yes with a beautiful cover drive speeding to the boundary for a sensual 4. That was a masterclass of a shot.
Yes, well, he read that one pretty beautifully, Ramiz. Almost as if he anticipated that one.
Yes, well, we all know Nadir to produce such dazzling displays, but will he be able to hold his nerves? Here she comes again, this time over the wicket, and asks if he has picked up the food. Blocked confidently by husband as he says he ordered food through the food app. He was supposed to get it, but he did the next best thing and he'll take it.
Yes, pretty smart, not overthinking, overanalyzing or arguing, just going in straight for the solution. All the markings of an experienced husband.
Yes, this could happen over here and now, not even room for the smallest of mistakes. We all know this fight to be very ferocious. And here she comes again, looking very aggressive, and delivers a bouncer taunt by asking if he attended the parent-teacher meeting. He replies yes and hooks toward left side for a huge 6. Nadir Shah, you beauty! The crowd is going insane as it was dispatched with disdain.
Yes, Ramiz, only a few batsmen demonstrate this much at crunch time, and Nadir is one of them. Always cool, always calm, always collected.
Only 2 runs remaining on this last taunt. It's come down to a nail-biting finish, this one. What will it be? And here she comes and asks, who is Tina? And bowled him, clean bowled. He hesitates for a bit too long and then she's bowled him. He didn't even know who Tina was, but he was caught thinking if he did. Last delivery, wives have taken the trophy and the husbands yet again lose 2 wives in the final, unable to break the curse of this defeat.
Just goes to show the nature of this game. You can play with heart, but that's not enough. You need ruthless cunning as well. And congratulations to the wives.
Absolutely, absolutely. Let's go downstairs now for the presentation ceremony.